Akash here. This is Virgin Hair Fertilizer. It's a very interesting name. I seen about a year ago. Before that, this has been in the market for a long time. It's widely available, but I wanted to give it a shot, see if it works or not. So some of the good thing about this product and some of the bad thing I want to share with you today. I used it about 3 weeks ago. If you first time you coming to my channel, I always review some natural product over the year I personally used, and it helped me over the year, and those are the product you could check it out in my channel playlist. Or hair growth product is there, and definitely is there for like every kind of hair situation. It doesn't matter you lost only 5-10% of your hair or 50% of your hair, is there. You could check it out. So this product, I would say the good things I would say about it is cheap. Okay, it's widely available, it's cheap, because a lot of time I make a video of a product review, and I put the link in description box. It's not widely available, depend which country you are on, so that makes it different. But this one is widely available. Again, I have the link in description box, and it's quite cheap, and it's a big thing. So you could use this for a man and a woman, both can be used. Mostly women I see use it, but a lot of men, they have a really good result with this too. So what are the different? First time when I used it, I see it give you like like itching, not crazy itching, but sometimes you feel itching because it has a peppermint in it. So peppermint is kind of like itching. So I said, all right, okay, let's give it a shot. The second time I use, third time I use, the itching gets less and less because you get used to it. But if you look at the box, it tells you like use it in the daytime, like just use it in the daytime, like open it up and just get it on your hand, and just gently put it all over your hair and gently massage it and just go over by your day. But it smells, it's not, I'm not saying it's a crazy smell, but I'm okay with the smell. But I don't think I would go to work or going out putting this on my hair. I'm not saying if you could deal with the smell, you could do it. I mean, it's not crazy smell, but it's just a smell there. So this is why I use it overnight. I used it overnight, just gently massage it, put it all over my hair, because it's a big, you could use it. But if you're a man, I would say, if you're thinking about thinning out your hair recently, why don't you just shave your head one time or something, then just you could just get a little bit, put it all over your head, and this way all over your head you're gonna get this. The reason I would say do that, because do you ever use derma roller? Because I used derma roller when I was first, like few years back, when I was losing hair. I was using derma roller. See, sometimes people ask me, the link I always put for the derma roller is depend on the 0.5, 0.1. This is a 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5. So this is what it matters when you get a derma roller. It doesn't matter what color is the handle is. It doesn't matter. The handle not gonna do nothing to you. But is 0.5 or 1.0, these two, you always will use it, widely available. So this derma roller, when you use it, if you ever used it, when you do this, you see the pump up your blood on your head. This is how it feels when you put it on, especially if you have like a little thinning hair somewhere. You just put a little bit there and gently massage it, keep it overnight. You're gonna feel that pump, like if I feel like the blood flowing, but it's not gonna crazy that you're gonna feel uncomfortable or anything, but a little bit you're gonna feel it. But first day, second day, third day, then it's gonna get less and less. But the main reason you're using it, you want your thicker and fuller hair. That's the most important thing. And I see the hair grow really, really fast, because my hair situation is not as bad it used to be like a few years back, when I used to use like ginger and some other cool great product. Currently, if you lost over 50% of your hair or 40% of your hair, Neo Hair Lotion, check out my channel playlist. That's getting a lot of people getting amazing result for that. I personally use it, still use it right now. So, but this one for someone recently seeing thinning out hair, and it's cheap, affordable. You put it on overnight, you take a shower in the morning, gently massage it. And like I said, if you're a woman, definitely it grows hair really fast. But if you're a man, if you have a small hair like me, and if you think it's okay, just shave your hair once, you don't have to do it, then put it on. Maybe that work faster for you. And if you get thicker and fuller hair that way, I don't think anything, it doesn't hurt. So definitely the tickling thing, I would say, and the smell, right? So those two things, because if there was no smell, maybe I would just put it on in the morning. Because when you put it on, you feel like your hair is thicker and fuller. It's a fluffy kind of thing. So like it's not like it's gonna feel oily or greasy. It's nothing like that. So you're okay with that. But the smell, because of that, I don't do it. But you could deal with the smell if you want to put it in the morning time. That's perfectly fine. Or you could use it in the morning and you could use it at night. No big deal. Or you could use it every other day. If this works for you, then use it every other day. But I would definitely recommend use a natural shampoo, because if you're gonna use this and if it helps you thicker and fuller, but we always make, like use like a baby shampoo. Like if you see, just giving you an example, any baby shampoo like Johnson and Johnson baby shampoo, right? If you use that, that has a less chemical in it because the baby use it, so that would definitely helpful to your hair, because less and less chemicals. Anyway, I have the link in the description box, but anyway, it's a widely available wherever your baby shampoo, definitely. And if you want to use like I would say, like if you're gonna use some kind of oil, if you're thinking about it, because you're recently thinning out here, even as men and women both, this is also widely available. It's called parachute oil. Parachute oil, you could check out my detailed video, and this is also really helpful to your hair. It's 100% pure coconut oil. You could find it, I have the link in the description box, or you could widely available wherever you are. 100% pure coconut. So video is helpful to you. Again, if you get this and you're using it and then it helped you, definitely leave the comment below, so it helps a lot of other people to make the right decision.